Shavuot Tov. I hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful Shavuos. And we're being greeted to the new week with a siren. And the doggy. Hello, doggy. Do you like the sign? She doesn't like it. And the skies are partially cloudy. There's a moon out, so if you didn't do Kiddush Levana, there's still a moon. You could still do it. And we hear you, doggy. We hear you. That's it. I don't understand. It's sort of like the boy that cried wolf. They keep on having these sirens and nothing happens. And they just, other than messages, they say, you gotta run to your bomb shelters. Okay. But you keep on doing these sirens with nothing happening. So a lot of people are going to more people are going to ignore them because what's the point? There's nothing going on. Have a wonderful week. I hope you had a wonderful Shavuos wherever you are in the world.